Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cupcake scoop is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, especially for those who love to bake. It's designed to make the process of filling cupcake liners a breeze, eliminating the mess and ensuring consistent portioning. This tool not only saves time but also helps in achieving uniform cupcakes every time, making your baking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Let's dive in and see if this gadget lives up to the hype. Number 5. Whiskware Pancake Batter Dispenser and Mixer. Tired of lumpy batters? This dispenser is the fastest and easiest way to make smooth batters for pancakes, waffles, and crepes. Simply add your ingredients, shake, and it's ready to go. This product is a winner of Good Housekeeping's 2021 Kitchen Gear Awards. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. You'll love how simple it is to create your favorite treats. Cleaning up is a breeze. Add soap and warm water, shake, and rinse. All parts are also top-rack dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The wide opening makes it easy to add ingredients, and the base doubles as a stand. The heat-resistant silicone spout won't melt, and the pressure release cap prevents spraying. With the Easy Pour spout, you can draw shapes and patterns. It's perfect for making fun and creative breakfasts. Get ready to impress with your pancake art. What we like? This dispenser is a true time saver, as it mixes and dispenses in one go. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick and easy breakfast. If you're looking for a simple solution that minimizes both prep and cleanup time, you should consider this. What people say. It improves mixing, metal whisk ball, to eliminate lumps. Pouring is easy and you can make pancake art which kids love, letters, their name, dinosaurs, all depends on your skill. The plastic is thick, durable, and seals well. It has never dripped and is dishwasher safe. Number 4. KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser. Introducing the KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser. This handy tool makes perfect pancakes, cupcakes, and more a breeze. It's designed for easy use and consistent results, making your baking experience enjoyable. Made with high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this dispenser is built to last. The wide mouth opening makes filling it easy, and the quick close valve ensures a perfect pour every time. The redesigned pulley handle is durable and won't break. Say goodbye to uneven pancakes. This dispenser provides portion control, ensuring consistent sizes for your baked goods. Simply squeeze the handle, count to 2, and move on for perfect results. This dispenser isn't just for pancakes. It's perfect for waffles, muffins, brownie mix, and even pizza sauce. Its valve handles various batter thicknesses, giving you control over your creations. We stand behind our product with a 3-year guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund your purchase or send a replacement. Plus, you'll receive a free recipe ebook as a thank you for trusting us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This dispenser boasts a durable design that's built to last. It also offers precise portion control, ensuring consistent results every time. If you're a baking enthusiast who values both quality and consistency, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. My husband thinks it is cool that all cakes are all the same size. Dispenser works great and only a tiny leak. Easy to use, easy to clean, definitely worth the money. Number 3. Chef Buddy Batter Dispenser. This handy dispenser makes creating perfectly sized treats a breeze. The spring-loaded handle gives you complete control, ensuring consistent results every time. The nozzle on the bottom allows for direct pouring onto your cooking surface. This eliminates the need for tilting and prevents messy spills. With clear cup and ml markings, you can easily monitor the batter level. This feature ensures you always have the right amount for your recipes. The nozzle is designed to open and close smoothly, preventing drips and messes. This allows for precise control when pouring batter for various treats. The snap-off top and wide mouth make refilling simple and mess-free. It's a convenient alternative to other kitchen gadgets, simplifying your baking process. Made of durable plastic, this purple dispenser holds up to 4 cups or 900 milliliters. Its dimensions are L, 6.75x, W, 4.25x, H, 7.5 inches, a perfect addition to your kitchen. What we like? This dispenser features a drip-free design, ensuring a mess-free experience. The precise control allows for perfect portioning, and the convenient refilling makes it easy to use. If you like clean and precise baking, you should consider this. What people say. The squeeze handle makes pouring batter effortless, and it gives me so much control over the amount of batter I use for pancakes, waffles, muffins, and even crepes. No more messes or uneven portions. The dispenser holds up to 4 cups of batter, which is perfect for making pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and more. The dispenser has a convenient lever that makes it easy to dispense batter evenly and precisely, which eliminates the mess and frustration of using a spoon or ladle. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 4-Cup Precision Batter Dispenser. This is the OXO Good Grips Batter Dispenser. It precisely dispenses batter for all your baking needs. You'll have perfect pancakes, cupcakes, and crepes every time. The easy-to-squeeze handle and drip-free shut-off valve give you complete control. It's designed to make your baking experience easier and cleaner. The wide opening makes filling the dispenser a breeze. No more messy spills when preparing your batter. It features convenient measurement markings up to 4 cups. This helps you measure ingredients accurately. The removable valve makes for quick and easy cleanup. You can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your treats. The lid can be used as a drip tray between squeezes. It's a thoughtful design detail that adds to its convenience. What we like. This dispenser offers precise dispensing for perfect results. The easy-to-squeeze handle and drip-free valve provide complete control. If you are looking for a tool that combines precision with ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. Easy-to-clean product well made will last a lifetime. No leaks from the base, lightweight and ergonomic. Easy to assembly right out of the box. A lot of room for pancake mix or whatever you want in it. Used for cooking pancakes for 70. This was awesome in keeping size and location on grill uniform. It was easy to fill with its wide top and did not dribble. Cleaning was no problem. Great for dispensing batter for pancakes, etc. Also a godsend for filling muffin cases without the mess. Light and doesn't leak. Easy to clean. Number 1. Stainless steel batter dispenser, perfect for baking. This dispenser features an easy-to-control, spring-loaded handle. It opens and closes the nozzle, ensuring consistent portions for your breakfast and desserts. You and your family can enjoy perfectly made treats every time. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to fill. It holds up to 3 cups of your favorite batter. This feature makes it convenient to prepare large batches of your favorite recipes. The drip-free nozzle reduces messes by preventing batter from dripping. Cleanup is a breeze with this handy baking utensil. It keeps your counters clean and your baking experience enjoyable. Made of 18-0 stainless steel, this tool is both beautiful and durable. It's a sturdy, long-lasting addition to your kitchen. This ensures it will withstand frequent use and last for years. This dispenser is great for baking pancakes, cupcakes, muffins, crepes, and waffles. It makes cooking and baking easier and more enjoyable. It's a must-have tool for any home baker. What we like. This dispenser provides excellent portion control, ensuring consistent results. The wide mouth opening makes filling it a breeze, and the stainless steel construction adds durability. If you like a sleek and long-lasting design, you should consider this. What people say. All metal is easy to clean and the dispenser hole is more robust as well. So easy to clean, not messy. Can hold a lot of mix. Stainless steel is the way to go. It cleans well, has a stronger mechanism and has a base that prevents the unit from tipping over. I expect it to last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.